Where are the ATP and NDP used? We learned that the produce of light reaction are ATP and NDP as an oxygen of these oxygen diffuse out of the chloroplast, while ATP and NDPH are used to drive the process leading to the synthesis of food. More accurately, sugar. This is the biosynthesis phase. Photosynthesis. This process does not directly depend on the presence of light, but it dependent on the product of light reaction. ATP and NDPH beside carbon dioxide and H2O. You may wondered how this could be verified. It's simple. Immediately after light become unravel. This is a biosynthesis process. Continue for some times and then stop. If then light is made available, the synthesis started again. Let us now see how ATP and DPG are used in the biosynthetic phase. We saw earlier that the carbon dioxide is combined with the H2O to produce CH2 on sugar. It was of the interest to scientists to find out how this reaction proceed on rather what was the first product formed when carbon dioxide is taken into a reaction or fixed just afterward. Second, among the several efforts to put radioisotope to beneficial use, the work of Melvin Kelvin is exemplary. The use of radioactive C by him in algae photosynthesis study led to the discovery that the first carbon dioxide fixation product was a 3-carbon organic acid. He also contributed to the working out a complete biosynthesis pathway. Hence, it was called Kelvin's. After him, the first product identity was a 3-phosphoglyceric acid, in short PG. How many carbon atoms does it have? Synthesis also tried to know whether all plants have PGA as the first product or carbon dioxide fixation, or whether any other product was formed in the other plant. Experiment conducted how over a wide range of plant led to the discovery of another group of plant where the first stable product of the carbon dioxide fixation was again an organic acid, but was which had 4 carbon atoms in it. This acid was identified to be the oxalic acid OA. Since then, the carbon dioxide assimilation during the photosynthesis was said to be the two main types. Those plants in which the first product of carbon dioxide fixation is the carbon 3 acid PCA. C3 pathway and those in which the first product was C4 acid. C4 pathway, these two groups of plants show the other associated characteristics that we will discuss later. The primary acceptor of carbon dioxide. Let us now ask ourselves the questions that was asked by the scientists who were struggling to understand the dark reaction of how many carbon atoms would be the molecules have which after accepting fixing. Carbon dioxide would have 3 carbons PGA. The study very unexpectedly showed that the acceptor molecules was a 5-carbon ketone sugar ribose 5 biphosphate. Did you think of this possibility? Do not worry. The scientists also took the long time, conducted many experiments to reach this conclusion. They also believe that since the first product was a C3 acid, the primary acceptor would be 2-carbon compound. They spent many years trying to identify and 2-carbon compound before they discovery the 5 carbons and the Kelvin cycle. This co-worker then workers out with the whole pathway and showed that a pathway operated in cyclic manner. The RBS was regenerated. Let us now see how the Kelvin pathway operated and where the sugar is synthesized. Let us at outest understand very clearly that the Kelvin pathway occurs in all photosynthetic plants. It does not matter whether they have C3 and C4 pathways. For ease of understanding, the Kelvin cycle can be described under 3 stages: carboxylation, reduction, and regeneration. Carboxylation. A carboxylation is the fixation carbon dioxide into a stable organic intermediate. Carboxylation is the most crucial step of the Kelvin cycle, where the carbon dioxide is utilized for the carboxylation. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzymes RUBP carbonyls, which result in the formation of two molecules of three which since this the enzymes also has a oxidations activity, it would be more correct to call it a carboxylase oxidase RBC ribosome 155 phosphate atmosphere. The Calvin cycle proceeds in three stages: carboxylation, during which carbon dioxide combined with the ribose 1,5 biphosphate reduction, during which carbohydrate is formed at the expenses of photochemical made of ATP and NDPH, and regeneration, or during which the carbon dioxide acceptor ribosome 1,5 phosphate and is formed again so that the cycle continues. Reduction. These are the series of reactions that lead to the formation of glucose. The steps involve is utilizes of two molecules ATP of photorylations and two NDPH for reductions per carbon dioxide molecules. Fix the fixation of six molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 tons of the cycles are required for the formations of one molecules of glucose from the pathway. Regeneration of the carbon dioxide acceptor molecules rebases. Crucial is the cycle of the continue uninterrupted regeneration steps requires 1 ATPs of photorylations from to hence for every carbon dioxide molecules entering the Calvin cycle 3 molecules ATP and 2 NDPH are required. It is a probably to meet these differences in number of ATP and NDPH used in the dark reaction that a cyclic photorylation take place. To make one molecules of glucose 6 ton of the cycle are required. Work out how many ATP and NDPH molecules will be required to make one molecules of glucose through the Calvin pathway. It might help you to understand all of this if you look at what goes and what comes out of Calvin cycle. 6 carbon dioxide and 1 glucose, 18 ATP, 18 ATP and APH. The C4 pathway. Plants that are adapted to tropical regions have the C4 pathway mentioned earlier. Through these plants have the C4 oxalic acid, the first carbon dioxide fixation product. They use the C3 pathway on the Calvin cycle as the main biosynthetic pathway. Then it what way are the different from C3 plant? This is a question that you make reasonable ask. C4 plant are special. They have a special type of leaf anatomy. They tolerate higher temperature. They show the response to high light intensity. They lack a process called photorespiration and have greater productivity of biomass. Let us understand these one by one. Study vertical section of leaves, one if the C3 plant and of the other C4 plant. Do you notice the difference? Do both have the same types of mesophyll? Do they have the similar cells around the vascular bundle? The particular large cells around the vascular bundles of the C4 plant are called a bundle of cells, and the leaves which have the such anatomy are said to have Cronus anatomy. Cronus means a breadth, and the is a reflection of the arrangement of cells. The bundle cells may from several layers around the vascular bundles. They are characterized by the having large numbers of chloroplast, thick walls impervious to gases section, and no intercellular space. You may like to the cut section of the leaf C4 plant maize or sorghum to observe the Cronus anatomy and the distribution of mesophyll cells. It would be interesting for you to collect leaves of the diverse species of plant around you and cut vertically section of these leaves. Observe under the microscope. Look for the bundle seat around the vascular bundle. The presence of bundle seat would help you identify the C4 plant. Now study the pathway shown in figure. The pathway that has been named the Hedge and Slake pathway is again a cyclic process. Let us study the pathway by listing the steps. The primary carbon dioxide acceptor in 3 carbon molecules. Fossil fuel Forbes and it is present in the mesophyll cell. The enzymes responsible for fixation is PP carboxylase or P. It is important to register that a mesophyll cell lacks ribose enzyme. The C4 acid OA is formed in the mesophyll cell. It then the forms other four carbon compound like the malic acid or aspartic acid in the mesophyll cell itself, which are transported to the bundle seed cell. In the bundle seed cell, these C4 acid are broken down to release carbon dioxide and 3 carbon molecules. The 3 carbon molecules is transported back to the mesophyll where it converted to the PF again, thus the completing the cycle. The carbon dioxide released in the bundle seed cell enter the C3 in Calvin pathway common to all plant. The bundle seed cells are rich in an enzyme ribosome biphosphate carboxylic oxygenated but lack the PFE. Thus, the basic pathway that result in the formation of sugar. The Calvin pathway is common to the C3 and C4 plant. Did you note that the Calvin pathway occur in all the mesophyll cells of C3 plant? In the C4 plant, it does not take place in the mesophyll cells, but does so only in the bundle seed cells. Photorespiration. Let us try to understand once more process that create an important difference between C3 and C4 plant. Photorespiration. To understand photorespiration, we have to know a little bit more about the first step of the Calvin pathway, the first carbon dioxide fixation step. This is the reaction where the RB combines with the carbon dioxide to form two molecules of three. This that is catalyzed by the thus, that is the most abundant enzyme in the world. Do you wonder why? Is characterized by the fact that its active sites can be blind both carbon dioxide and oxygen. Hence the name. Can you think how this could be the possible? Rus has a much greater affinity for carbon dioxide. When the carbon dioxide is the oxygen nearly equal, imagine what would happen if this were not so. So this bending is a competitive. It is the relative concentration of oxygen or carbon dioxide that determines which of the two will bind to the enzyme. In the C3 plant, some oxygen does not bind to the access and hence carbon dioxide fixation is decreased. Here's the RB instead of being converted to the molecules of the PGA bond with oxygen to form a one molecules to photoglycerate and the photoglycerate to carbon in pathway called the photo respirations in the photo respiratory pathway. There is neither synthesis of sugar nor rather it result in the release of carbon dioxide with the utilization of ATP. In the photorespiration pathway, there is no synthesis of ATP and ADP. The biological function of the photorespiration is not known yet. In C4 plant and photorespiration does not occur. This is because they have a mechanism that increase the concentration of carbon dioxide at the enzyme site. This takes place when the C4 acid from the mesophyll is broken down. The bundle seat of cells is released carbon dioxide. The result in increasing down in the bundle seat of cell to release this result increasingly intercellular concentration of carbon. It turn this ensure that the function as a carboxylase minimize the oxygen activity. Now that the C4 plant lack photorespiration, you probably can understand why productivity and yield are better in these plant. In addition, these plants show tolerance to high temperature. Based on the above discussion, can you compare plant showing C3 and C4 pathway? Use the table format given in table 11.1 in the formation. Fill in the column 2 and 3. This is a table highlighting differences between C3 and C4 plant. Choose from cell type in which the Calvin mesophyll and bundle set and sulfite. Cell type which the initial carboxyl reaction mesophyll and bundle cells both. How many cells types does not leave except two bundles, sheath mesophyll and three mesophylls, which is a primary carbon acceptor. Name of carbons in the primary acceptor. which is the primary carbon fixation product PCA, OGA, and number of carbons of the primary RD. Does the plant have yes not factor affecting the photosynthesis? And understanding of the factor that affect photosynthesis necessary, the rate of photosynthesis is very important in determining the yield of the plant, including crop plant. Photo is under the influences of the several factors, both internal and external plant factors, including chlorophyll, internal carbon dioxide concentration, and the amount of chlorophyll. The plant of internal factor are dependent on the genetic predisposition and growth of plant. The external factor would include availability of sunlight, the temperature of uh, carbon dioxide concentration, and water. As a plant photosynthesize, all these factors will stimulate affect its rate. Hence, through several factors interact and simultaneously affect the photosynthesis or carbon dioxide fixation. Usually, one factor is the major causes or it the one that limit the rate. Hence, at any point, the rate will be determined by the factor available at a suboptimal level. When several factors affect by Blackman law of limiting factor common into fact. This state the following is a chemical process is affected by more than one mode. Then is the rate will be determined by the factor which is the nearest to be the minimal value is the factor which directly affected the process. It is a quantity of change. For example, despite the presence of green leaf, optimal leaf and carbon dioxide condition, the plant may not photosynthesize if the temperature is very low. The leaf is given to optimal temperature will start photosynthesis. Light. We need to the discuss say between light quality, light intensity, and the duration of exposure to light. While discuss light factor the effect of photosynthesis, there is a linear relationship between incident light and carbon dioxide fixation rate. At low light intensity, a higher light intensity, gradually the rate does not show further increase as other factors become limiting. What is the interesting to note is that the light saturation account 10% of the full sunlight. Hence the except of a plant shade or dense forest light, it's really limiting factor in nature increase in incident light beyond a point cause a breakdown of chlorophyll and a decrease of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide concentration. Carbon dioxide is a major limiting factor of photosynthesis. The concentration of carbon dioxide is very low in the atmosphere between 0.03 and 0.4%. Increase the concentration up to 0.5% can causes the increase in carbon dioxide fixation rate. Beyond this, the level can become the damaging over long period. The C3 and C4 plant respond differently to carbon dioxide concentration. At low light condition, neither group respond to higher carbon dioxide condition. At high light intensity, both C3 and C4 plant show increase in the rate of photosynthesis. What is important to note is that the C4 plant show the saturation and about 360 milliliter, while C3 respond to increased carbon dioxide concentration and saturation is seen only beyond the 4 milliliter. Thus, the current availability of carbon dioxide level limiting to the C3 plant. The fact that the C3 plant respond to the higher carbon dioxide concentration by showing increased rate of photosynthesis, leading to higher productivity, has been used for some greenhouse crops such as tomato and bell pepper. They are allowed to grow in carbon dioxide enriched atmosphere that leads to the higher air temperature. The dark reaction of being the enzymatic are temperature controlled through the light reaction are also temperature sensitive. They are affected to the much lesser extent. The C4 respond to the higher temperatures and the so higher rate of photosynthesis, while C3 plant have much lower temperature optimum. The temperature optimum for photosynthesis for different plant also depend on the habitat that they are adapted to. Tropical plant have high temperature optimum that the plants adapted to temperate climate. Water, even though the water is one of the reactant of the light reaction, the effect of the water as a factor is more through its effect on the plant rather than directly photosynthesis. Water stress causes the stomata to close, hence reduction the carbon dioxide availability. Beside, water stress also makes leaves wilt, thus the reduction the surface areas of the leaves and the metabolic activity as well. Summary: green plant makes their own food by photosynthesis. During this process, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is taken in by leaves through the stomata used by the making carbohydrate, principally glucose and starch. Photosynthesis takes place only in green plant of the plant, mainly in the leaves. Within the leaves, the mesophyll cells have a large number of chloroplasts that are responsible for carbon dioxide fixation. Within the chloroplast member are site for the light reaction, while the stimulus pathway occur in the stomata. Photosynthesis has two light stages: the light reaction and the carbon fixation reaction. In the light reaction, the light is absorbed by the pigment present in the anatomy and funneled special chlorophyll molecules called reactions and interchlorophyll. There are two photosynthesis: ps1, ps2, ps1. 700 absorbing chlorophyll CN molecule its reaction center, while PS2 600 reaction center that absorb red light. After the absorbed light, electrons are excited and transferred through PS1 and finally NDA, forming NDH. During the process, and proton gradient is created across the members of the thylakoid. The breakdown the protons and gradient due to movement through the FO part of the ATP phase enzyme release enough energy of synthesis of ATP splitting of water molecules associated with PS2, resulting in the release oxygen protons and transfer of electron PS2. In the carbon fixation cycle, carbon dioxide is added by the enzyme reduce 5 carbon compound RBC that is converted to molecules of 3 carbons PGA. This is in the converted to sugar by the Calvin cycle, and RB it is generated during this process. ATP and DPG synthesized in the light reaction are utilized. RBCCO also catalyzed a wasteful oxygenated reaction in the C3 plant photorespiration. Some tropical plants show a special type of photosynthesis called C4 pathway. In this plant, the first product of carbon dioxide fixation that takes place in the mesophyll 2. In 4 carbon compound in the bundle state of cells, the Calvin pathway is carried out for the synthesis of carbohydrate. Thank you for watching.